Hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with the instant noodles over here. And what we got is, this is made in India, and this was definitely an export version for the US market. It says export version. This is Nestle's Maggi 2-minute noodle. 2-minute noodles. Authentic Indian noodles, masala, asterisk. Why is the asterisk? Says it's simply good. I don't know why it has an asterisk, but it does. Huh? Well, oh, is that what it says? Is that this? Spice mix packet inside. That's what the asterisk pertains to. Alright, so how do you make this stuff? It's really simple. Really easy to find too. This is everywhere. And if you haven't tried it, I highly recommend it. First thing you do, you bust this noodle block into quarters. Kind of, yeah, it's pretty quartered. And then you add in this is called a taste maker. Anytime you buy instant noodles in India and they have a seasoning sachet in them, they call them a taste maker. I think it's kind of the same way that in Mexico, all instant noodles are sopa maruchan. It's just what they call it. We're going to have some maruchan. Whereas that's a brand, not a food. But it's kind of like calling facial tissues Kleenex here. So we drop that in. Come on. Man, this stuff does really smell good. It smells like the Indian grocery I was at yesterday. And we drop it in. All of it. We simmer it. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. And just stir it the whole time and let it weave its little bit of masala magic. And it's wonderful. So it has less of a broth and more of like a gravy to it, like a masala gravy. Masala we're talking here is like garam masala, just like here. What's that flavor? India. Oh, okay. That's kind of how it works here in the States. I've been experimenting with making curries. I keep getting these simmer sauces, to which my buddy, the Reverend Dick Kazinia, he's like, dude, no, you need to like do this all from scratch. You're getting this bland crap. But it's something. Come on. I'm working here. But, yeah, I went to the Indian grocery yesterday. I got some mango pickle. I was thinking I'd add a little bit of that to this, but it certainly sounds like that's kind of not a standard thing to do. But maybe I'll just do it anyways, and you guys can scream at me, what are you doing? God, fool, you don't know crap about anything. Be like, look at the video. I said I don't know what I'm doing on this, so I'm just giving it a go. See how it tastes. Maybe it'll be enjoyable. Maybe it won't. I tried like a spoonful of it straight, and I just it was like whiplash. But he said usually what you do is you mix that with like plain yogurt, some chopped up cucumber, and some other things, and it's really good. So that seems more like it's a condiment. It's not something to be had straight. It's a complimentary item. So, I don't know. I'll try it with this. He said try it with just some white basmati. So now we're done. Did 2 minutes do the trick on our 2-minute noodles? I believe that this stuff has been around long enough and really has that much of a following that it's got to be perfecto. So here is our 2-minute noodle. after that. That's it. The noodle has like an outer layer that is reminiscent, like in your mouth, of like the richness and fattiness in a way of like chocolate mousse or heavy cream. It's really strange. It's got a thing going on with it, and a lot of Indian noodles have that. They might have, what is it, the atta? I really don't know. I'm like grasping at threads here. It's kind of doughy. The flavor on this one, I will say, by leaps and bounds, I haven't had this one because it's always spicy. This one certainly does not seem to have any inkling of spiciness, which is a surprise. So maybe that mango pickle stuff will work. I really thought the mango pickle was going to be sweet. I thought I was going to open that sucker and pull out like little spears of mango that had like a really zesty, interesting sweetness and other stuff going on. Nope. 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 Wrong. But that's cool. You know, I know a lot of you probably are like, if I'm not going to buy it unless I know I like it. It's like, but why? How are you going to know you like it unless you try it? I wonder if they have any Indian buffets around here. They did. That's right. I've been to one, but I think that one got shut down. I don't know. All right. I'm going to give it a try. I'm in the mood for experimentation. So here is my mango pickle. You can't even see that. Let's move this over here. You can kind of see there, mango pickle. And it's definitely, whoa. I'm gonna take a little of this. Whoa. I'm gonna take this. Come on. Come on. No, 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 don't get all over me. Take a piece of that. And go like that. Whoa. Yeah, even that doesn't work. I can see maybe with rice though. We'll give that a try tonight. I'm making curry tonight. I'm going to use my black cardamom in that. He's trying to steer me the correct way in creating more authentic, flavorful curry, which I thoroughly appreciate his tutelage. So thank you, my friend, Reverend Dick Kizinia. And yeah. But I think crushed red pepper, I guess. I think that's about it. It really doesn't need a whole lot more. I'm starting to warm up to that freaking mango pickle. Wow. It is quite zesty. Who doesn't like a little zestiness? I might just have to add a touch there. I think I'm gonna. I don't know. What do I do? Where am I? Who are you? What are you people doing in my house? I'm just gonna add a little bit. He was right. It's addictive. I'm just gonna add a little bit right there. And I'm probably gonna get people, like he said, they're gonna say you're an idiot. But I don't care. Something new. Mango pickle, folks. He said lime pickle will just like blow your head off. Well, that might be too much for me, but here we go. It took me just over an hour, but I've done 4 instant noodles today. It still looks dingy outside, but I might go for it. Head out and do about, 6 or 7 miles on the open road. Come back, make the house hot, uncomfortable for everybody. Make some chashu and do it for you. And that's why it's important that you like and subscribe everything that I do. Notification bell, all that crap. When you don't do that, you're poking me in the eye. That's not very nice. You're a nice person. Your mother raised you right. So like and subscribe. Makes me smile. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye-bye.